Okay, so this is the room. I guess it's kind of Hypebeast per se, but basically here's my setup. So I got all my shoes here. Got my little off-white glass thing that I made. A Jordan poster because I love basketball. But then the two shoe posters. Basically I keep most of my shoes here. Some of them are around the house. I didn't really put that much together, and I got some shoe boxes along each side. I made this little desk type thing. I don't usually have stuff on here, but I just put it up just so you guys know that there's like glass there. I have some shoe boxes here. In the shoe boxes, I like to put like my electronics. It almost looks like a Mars Yard box, if you know what I'm talking about. And then I have like some shoelaces in here or whatever. And then I have my markers in there. But yeah, so it works for like to hold some shoes. Got a Supreme and Herschel bag. Usually when I'm working, I'll do it there or set up here or just when I'm sleeping, I guess. I got some of my clothes here. It is summer here. As you can see, it's summer, so I have a lot of my hoodies up here. Got some BOGOs here. I don't have it all here. I have it throughout my house, I guess. This just holds stuff, some old boxes or whatever. I haven't really dealt with that. I was trying to do something sick there. It kind of turned out not really, but got my Palace seats, Supreme seat. No, those aren't real. I just put a sticker on there. Usually I hook up my Xbox to that monitor. I know it's crappy, but it is what it is. Got another poster there. That's my bed. Pretty basic. I don't know. It's just a bed. And then I got my board for some projects I'm working on. Then I got my goals down here, and then obviously another Jordan. Because, we love Jordan. Respect to this man.